This is my example lesson plan. At one side, you should write name of school, class, topic and subject. On other side, date, time and period. Don't write name of school and date. It should remain blank. Class should be from class 6 to class 9th. From class 6 to 9th, you have to take topic. Then subject English. Then topic rainbow. Time should be 40 minutes and period, it is the example of second period. Journal objective. Journal objective is directly related with the subject which you are going to teach. It is a lesson plan of English subject. So, by teaching English, student develop interest in English. Student enable read English. Okay, the aims which are fulfilled by teaching the subject right here. It should be 4 to 5. Then specific objective. Specific objective is directly related with the topic which you are going to teach in the class. For my example lesson plan rainbow, student aware about rainbow, color of rainbow and many more. You have to write only 4 to 5 points. Then next point is material required. Roller board, chalk, duster, chart, etc. Teaching method. Each and every subject is taught by teaching method. It is the language lesson plan, English. So it is explained by questionnaire method, explanatory method, etc. Then previous knowledge. Each and every student have little bit knowledge about the topic. Here, students have knowledge about the rainbow. You have to write only one sentence about the knowledge, previous knowledge. Then introductory questions. Introductory questions are asked by the teacher to develop interest and concentration among the students. You have to ask 4 to 5 questions. For example, how many seasons are there? Student will answer summer, winter, rainy season. When we use raincoat and umbrella, student will answer rainy days we use the raincoat and umbrella. Then we ask what we see in the rainy days. The student will ask rainbow. Then you have to ask one difficult question. Why we see rainbow in rainy season? The student remain silent. At this time, you have to announce the statement of aim. That is, today we are going to study about the poem Rainbow. Then presentation. In presentation, the topic which you are going to explain in the class should divide in 2 parts. Part 1 should be Unit 1 and Part 2 should be Unit 2. जितना भी आपको अपने क्लास में समझाना है उस पार्ट को आपको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है. द फर्स्ट पार्ट शुड बी यूनिट 1 एंड अदर शुड बी यूनिट 2. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर कॉलम्स लाइक दिस: subject matter, teacher's activity, student's activity, blackboard work. Which you are going to explain in the class should write in teacher's activity. What reaction or activity students will give you, write in student's activity. In blackboard work, you have to stick black paper and write down with silver pen, which you write on the blackboard. Then after completing the first part of your topic, you have to ask comprehensive question. Comprehensive question should be 2 or 3. After completing unit 1, आपका जब पहला पार्ट आप खत्म कर देंगे, unit 1 आप कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, उसके बाद you have to explain unit 2. आपका बचा हुआ पार्ट आप स्टार्ट करेंगे. Column should prepare as above in unit 1. After completing unit 2, you have to ask comprehensive questions again. Comprehensive question should be 2 or 3. Okay. After part 1, then comprehensive question, part 2, then comprehensive question, there should be a revision question. Revision question is from unit 1 and unit 2. जितना भी आपने पढ़ाया है unit 1 और unit 2 में, उस पर आप revision questions करेंगे. Revision question should be 4 or 5. Then you have to give classwork and then homework. This is your English lesson plan. That's it.